Hi Dev.
Hi Shanu.
Why are you looking so worried?
Shanu. I have little English knowledge. I don't know how to improve it.
Don't worry dear, I'll help you to improve your English.
Thanks Shanu.
My pleasure.
Why did you reply me? My pleasure.
In English, we use different phrases to respond to thank you. Today I'll teach you about them.
Yes. I'm ready to learn.
Let's start our lesson, how to respond to thank you. First response is, you are welcome. This is the most commonly used response. If you want emphasis your reply, you can use, you're very welcome, or, you're most welcome.
You're most welcome. I like that phrase.
Good. And you have to remember that it is mostly used in formal environment. You can use phrases such as, no problem, no worries, and don't mention it in casual environment.
What's casual environment?
Casual environment means when you are talking with your family and friends.
Thanks. Now I got it.
Anytime.
What is anytime?
Anytime is also a casual phrase used to reply to thank you. It means you are always ready to help that person.
You are so sweet Shanu. I have no words to appreciate you.
Thank you.
I am the one who wants to thank you. So thank you very much.
That's right. You can use thank you as a response to thank you when you feel the person who thanked you should also be thanked by you. You can also say, I am happy to help, or pleasure is mine, when someone thanks you in a formal situation such as in the office. You can also shorten it and say, my pleasure, or simply, pleasure, in a casual setting. I've got to go now.
Once again, thank you very much.
I know you'd do the same for me. Oh, I forgot it. I know you'd do the same for me, can also be used as a response to thank you.